Fuck. Shit gulls, dude. Fucking hate those things. Okay. So. Woo. Fucking A. Yeah, it's supposed to be like 18 degrees. There's some shit. Fucking Thursday. Ridiculous. Alrighty. So we could go two ways home. We could go that way and go straight and around, or we could go the way that I just came. And I'm gonna go the way that I came so that I can hear more. Turbo whistle. He's got a stop sign. Fuck him. Fuck him. I always just go for it. This guy, dude, has to be like sitting right in the middle. What's up, buddy?
What is this?
This is a Hyundai Veloster Turbo.
Oh, it is a Hyundai?
Yeah, it's a Hyundai.
Huh?
I just debadged it. I put different badges on it. Yeah, it's got no cat. It's not diesel. It's 93 stock motor. It's got full bolt-ons.
I ain't never seen one of these motherfuckers. That's
Really?
a Hyundai.
Yeah, it's a Hyundai. Yeah, you like it?
Alright.
I'll do a poll when I go down there. Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Just tear it off. Dude.
Oh, I will.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Light it up.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, dude, he fucking loved that shit. That guy's cool. So, yeah, I want to go and do some research and see if there are any way I could get some GoPro batteries and interchange them, unless you only can just charge one that's in the GoPro. I'm sure you can get batteries. Haven't done a lot of research yet. This is like the second time I've used the GoPro for something, so I'm still figuring out how it works. And I always let people go on crosswalks. I don't want to hit anybody. So it's kind of funny because a lot of people see this and they don't know what it is because it's debadged. The only sticker that I left on it says turbo, and because it's, you know, got to represent that turbo, bro. Gang. People are so dangerous at this intersection. Dude, when the boost kicks in, it's not that fast of a car, but it just pushes you right back in that seat. God, dude, I fucking love it. Little economy cars that are boosted are like the way to go, dude, especially hot hatches, dude. Freaking love it, dude. I remember one time I was in a parking lot and some old lady heard the blow off valve and she's like, was that air brakes? Is this thing like a big truck? My sister, yeah, they're air brakes. I had her go, she thought it was fucking air brakes. I was like, dude, this is the funniest shit ever, bro. Oh my God, good the audio is on the GoPro. I don't know, you know, how it sounds. I wish you could have like a pair of AirPods in and hear the audio coming from the GoPro, so you know what it, you know, kind of fiddle with it before you start recording and just kind of send it. I mean, I always just send it at the fucking camera. Icon on the preview is flashing red. We must be in the danger zone, boys. Nah, it's probably fine. I think it's good. Lady walking right here. That's how we do. That's how we do. So I think I'm just gonna upload this as a whole because you know, screw it. And if you guys like this video, let me know and I'll make more. Because you know, I want to get to use the GoPro a lot. Little doggy. Oh, there's the doggy. Oh. So that's how we do.